Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today, I want to show you guys a quick comparison with what a 16mm full frame is like versus an APS-C 16mm lens. Both of these are going to go on the A7 III, and I want to show you guys how much it crops in. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so let's find ourselves a good spot for me to set up. Let's say lots of ants. Ugh. Straps, hate straps. You know what? It's not high enough. This gives a good focal length right here. Okay, so right now this sucker is on a 16mm full frame lens, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and record this. Show you guys that how wide it can be. So this is true 16mm right here. I mean, when you ask for 16mm, this is wide. I mean, you can, yeah, it's wide, as you can see. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna try to keep the camera exactly where it is and swap out the lens. Okay, so this is a Sigma 16mm. I pop it on there. Let's see how it turns out. So what happens is that this camera automatically recognizes that this is a 16mm APS-C lens, a non-full frame lens. So it went ahead and automatically switched over to APS-C mode, does all its thing, and this is truly what you would see on a camera body like an A6500 or A6300. All right, guys. So I hope that's helpful. That's I guess a mini this versus that. 16mm APS-C lenses versus a full frame 16mm lens. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next one.